In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up Sierra chart. Now, of course, one way to do this would be to go to File, top left, and just save it. However, likely this is not what you're looking for. You'd likely like to back up all the files, not just basically your current setup, your chart book, etc. So to do this, there's actually an easy way you can do it. So the first thing you have to do is actually exit out of Sierra chart. So go out of here and then save all. You could do yes. And then when you do that, you want to open up your file explorer on your computer, just like this. And then you want to go inside this PC over here. You want to go to the C drive. And in case you haven't changed your installation folder, it's going to be in here. It's going to say Sierra chart. So just below the program files x86, you want to click on Sierra chart. And these are now all your files. Now, to actually do a backup, the smartest way to do this would just be to basically click Ctrl A over here and to copy this onto any of your hard drives, maybe like a USB or an external hard drive or something like that. Or of course, you could also just copy this folder over here somewhere safe. Okay, you could back it up on a cloud, on a drive, USB stick, whatever you want to do, wherever you want your backup to be. But that's pretty much the easiest way to do it. Okay, and then you'll be able to have all the files backed up if something happens to your computer or whatever. Okay, so that's the best way to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.